I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your subscription on Apple TV through the web, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open your browser. Navigate to the Apple TV website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Subscriptions option. This will show you all your active subscriptions. Step 4. Select the subscription. Locate the subscription you wish to cancel and click on it for more details. You should see an option to cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure it has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you miss the confirmation step, your subscription might still be active. I hope this helps you manage your subscriptions easily.